Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we are going back to see Paul, a repeat offender in the townhouse world. Now he's great, so excited to see him. And if you stay here until the end of the video, you are not going to want to miss what I am told upstairs looks like, because I'm just so excited to see it. Can't wait for you to see it too, so be sure to stick to the end. All right, now, if you know anybody looking for real estate in the Greenwich Village, be sure to send them this video. Like, subscribe, send it to a friend, comment below what is your favorite neighborhood. And for now, let's go see what Paul is up to. Awesome, well, I am so excited. I'm with repeat offender Paul over here. Thank you so much. I absolutely love that you are a big townhouse lister, because we love to see them. So what can you tell us about 71 West 11th Street?
Well, welcome. Yes, this is a beautiful home. It is 23 feet wide by 58. So you're going to have a lot of square footage. And this home is on 103 lot, which means you're going to get a very big garden. So this is prime in townhouses. And of course the location, we're on 71 West 11th, which is between 5th and 6th, which is considered the Gold Coast of Greenwich Village.
I love it. So there's no better location, and he's absolutely right. Being 23 wide, most of them are what, 17 to 20?
Right.
I feel like, so 23 wide really gives you that extra space, which I know you'll show us. I'm so excited about it. And this location is central to everything. You have great restaurants in the area. You can get around very easily. Yeah.
Yes, and lots of bike paths, and you're in the center overall.
And it's a tree-lined street, which is just so beautiful in New York to be on that.
That's right, yes.
Awesome. Well, can you show me around?
Absolutely, come on over.
Yeah. All right, so I mean, gosh, this has the wow factor when you enter. So we have the entrance, formal living, formal dining.
That's right, that's right. So this is the parlor floor. And I forgot to mention, the house was originally built in 1851, and this was a multifamily home. So my owners decided to come in, renovate the entire house from soup to nuts, but kept a guest suite apartment below us, which is connected to the house. And so we are standing here on the parlor floor. This is often in townhouses, obviously the biggest proportions. We have 11.5 ceilings. And as you can see, you have sonos, and you also have a design lighting system throughout. But this level, you know, my owners love to entertain. So this was a gathering place. So, and that's why they decided to put the kitchen also on a parlor floor, which is just wonderful when you can talk to guests, you can entertain, have a great dinner parties, and the lounge in your living room in front of the fireplace.
Yeah, absolutely. And the kitchen, I feel like, is really well done. It seems like a place that you can actually gather, because you can go all the way around it, right? It's not closed in any way, but it's also private enough.
That's right, that's right. So now we are entering the kitchen. My owners wanted a very nice and open kitchen because they did a lot of entertaining. So just to show you a couple of tricks. Yeah, so here we go.
Oh my God!
Anyone want a drink? We have the sink, we have the wine and all the glassware tucked away cleverly, because everything else is also nice and open.
This is so smart. I also feel like this is how you kid-proof your home.
That's right.
If you have family coming or children coming over, if you have some system like this, you're like, oh, we just close it. It's great.
That's right. And we are having a party. Let's open it back up.
Exactly. Oh, wow, that's brilliant.
So the kitchen was designed to be an open kitchen. They wanted to have everything out, right? So you have all your pots and pans, you have great exposed brick to go along with the characteristics of the townhouse. And of course, who doesn't like to be on this floor, which is connected to the garden? You actually have a beautiful terrace out there and steps that you can go straight on to the beautiful 40-foot plus garden.
This is so beautiful. I love it. And I love the bamboo, helps with privacy. Wow, that's quite large. They did a great job decorating.
Yes, no, it's really wonderful. And we'll definitely take you up there and show you around because it does have a beautiful tree. It's called an ash tree, and the leaves are very big and thick, and they're just beautiful. It gives you a whole another amount of privacy when it's in bloom.
That's so nice. And pro tip, if you were like most New Yorkers and you don't know what to do with the yard, there's no grass, so it's great. It's perfect. You don't have to maintain a lawn, things like that. This is so well done.
Yep, for sure.
Awesome. Okay, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is one of the most private gardens that you'll see in Greenwich Village. The greenery is just amazing. In the summertime, the walls climb with ivy, so all you see is greenery. Again, also on the steps as well and all along the wall. This garden comes complete with a fountain for birds right here. So in the summertime, that actually comes up and it's lovely. We also have a gas grill for all the parties. And it's surrounded with very interesting, you have beautiful bamboos at the end to give you more privacy. And of course, the trees are all backlit. So from underneath, going straight up. And then we have custom design lighting above us as well.
Yeah, that's beautiful. This is a very, very special backyard. This is amazing. I'm so glad we got to see it.
Yep, fantastic.
Yay.
Yay.
Okay, so tell me about this floor.
So this floor is in Townhouse's sort of bonus, if you will. We have a front garden, and we also have a separate entrance from underneath the stoop that you come in. So this is considered a guest suite apartment. It is connected to the main house, and it has its own little kitchenette. It has a full bath. It even has a washer and dryer. So it is a very useful space, certainly when friends and family come to visit, and you don't want them troubling through the main house. They have their own private entrance, their own kitchen, and their own space. And in this particular home, it's considered a two-family, so you could actually rent this out if you choose to.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
And I also have to say, this is the only way that you can have a nice family, mother-in-law, whatever, suite, if you will, because they have their own kitchen. So you can let them be really comfortable and really enjoy it and super happy because they're not in your way at all. They are fully self-sufficient down here.
That's right. And it keeps for a very happy family.
Yes, absolutely. Awesome.
So yes, this is a very special place. You could only get this with over 20-foot townhouses. So my owners decided to put a beautiful library here, and continuing with the walnut materials that they use downstairs, and very natural and earth tones, which they love. And in addition, they've decided to keep all the floors from the original house and then book match them to the new floors. And for example, the staircase, you have the banister that they actually restored and they put new spindles on them. So you have the old, the new, and a beautiful mix of a house with wonderful characteristics.
Absolutely. And I really do love this cement fireplace. It's really simple and beautiful and elegant. And then it's also nice because you have the 2 bedrooms on this floor too.
That's right. So you have 2 split bedrooms, one on each side, giving you optimal privacy, and they're very sizable.
All right.
Great.
Can I see upstairs?
Absolutely. That's the best part.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at these ceilings.
Yes. No, it's very impressive. So my owners, when they were renovating the house, they discovered an attic space. So what did? They blew it all out. So this is a primary bedroom with 17-foot ceilings and exposed beams that is connected to an outdoor terrace, which is right over there. And it also includes a gas fireplace.
I'm like, it's just the feeling in here. I can't even say words. I'm sorry. It is so calming and so special. How tall are those windows and that door? to the
Right.
terrace.
No, they are huge. It's almost from floor to ceiling. And of course, that tree, which is the ash tree, is going to be, when it's in bloom, it's going to be completely green. And of course, I have a very special little trick to show you
All right.
how we open the outdoor space. You want to see it?
I want to.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
So if you wanted to see the stars and enjoy your outdoor space, all you have to do is literally open your glass wall. And when you come out here, the other side also opens. And therefore, you're going to have an incredible outdoor space with an outdoor shower, with blue stones, overlooking the sunshine or the stars, whatever you choose.
I mean, this is everything. This is so magical. Wow.
Yep. Let me pop open the other side and you'll see how that looks. So now both spaces are connected. You have a beautiful office here, which of course could be anything that you wish, with high ceilings, exposed beams, and this gorgeous tree. I don't even know how they got this up here, but they did. And the whole space is, you have a speaker sound system, custom designed lighting, so it's just lovely in the evening or during the day.
Yeah, it is ready for anything. I love this. It's so well thought out. They did such a smart job with this.
It is the indoor outdoor living in its true manner. The architect was from the West Coast, and they wanted that feeling of openness and space and outdoor.
Yeah, well, it is amazing. I'm so glad that you showed me around. Thank you.
Absolutely.
And I've got to tell you, if you would like to purchase a townhouse in Greenwich Village, this is not to be missed. You absolutely have to consider it, and I know Paul would love to show us around.
Absolutely. Come on over.
Oh my gosh, did you absolutely love that outdoor space upstairs as much as I did? Actually, I also loved the outdoor space downstairs. I loved the ceiling height. I loved the big windows. Okay, I don't know what I didn't love. The fact that I'm not living in it. Okay, if you know somebody who is looking for a property in the Greenwich Village, and this might be for them, be sure to send over a request. Paul would love to show us. Until the next episode, be sure to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and then stay tuned for next week, and we'll see where we go. Bye.